On this video, I'll be showing you how to fix error this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. To start fixing this issue, you first need to go to Google Play Store. Once in Google Play Store, download the following apps. The first app that you need to download is Nicegram Bot. In my case, I've already downloaded it. So instead of open, it should be install or download in your screens. After Nicegram Bot, download Telegram X. In my case, I have already downloaded Telegram X on my phone, so you should download it on your phone as well. After downloading the two softwares, head on over to your Telegram. Open your Telegram account, search for Nicegram Bot. After opening him, he will ask you to go to a website. Click on it. The website should load shortly. Once you have loaded already into the website, all you gotta do is play that video instruction located in the website itself. This will help you more. And after that one, it says ready to unblock. Tap log in with Telegram. After a few minutes of loading, the website will ask for you to log in your Telegram account number. Log it in, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.